Hi, and welcome to this week's video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite smoothies, and I love making smoothies because they're quick, they're simple, easy to make, and a great way to get your 5 fruits and vegetables per day that we're supposed to have. I'm actually going to just be doing a really simple fruits one today, and it's just like I said, just a really quick and easy way to, get those nutrients into your body, to make you look good, to make you feel good, and to make your skin look really great also. I'm going to be using the NutriBullet. If you don't have a NutriBullet, then you must get one. These are fabulous, and again, I love this because it's really quick, easy and simple also, and it's just so easy to clean because it's just simply this. You unscrew it and you just clean. It's just 2 bits of equipment to clean. So this is a genius idea. So I love the NutriBullet. There's other obviously liquidizers and things out there, blenders that you can use, but I'll be using the NutriBullet today. So let's get started. And my ingredients for today are 2 apples, 2 little satsumas, some grapes, banana. I love mint, so I'm going to throw in a little bit of mint also. And I'm also going to add the NutriBullet NutriBlast Super Boost, which is a blend of 4 quality natural foods. It's vegan formula and it's also gluten-free as well. Okay, all done. Smells delicious. Here's my finished smoothie. Tastes delicious. And I can definitely taste the mint in there as well. I love it. So as you can see, really quick, easy, simple to do. Doesn't take long at all, especially if you use the NutriBullet. So definitely check that out. And yeah, share with me your favorite smoothies, what it is that you're loving at the moment. What are you making that's helping you to look good and feel good? Because that's what it's all about. And please subscribe to my channel. Click the links below. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you don't miss out on any of the videos coming your way. So I shall see you next time. Bye.